Okay, go to Google, type in Music Lab, click on this link, click on Songmaker, brings you to the main Music Lab grid. First thing we're going to do is set the tempo. So come down to the bottom, you can use the slider or type in the box 90. Then going to come to settings, length, bars, I'm going to change to 12. Going to come down to split beats, I'll change that from 2 to 4. I'm going to change the major scale to chromatic. If everything else looks the same, click to come out of that. First thing we're going to do is lay down our drum track. So along this horizontal line here, we have our kick drum and our snare drum area. Okay, we're going to leave our drum kit on electronic, coming to the beginning of our first beat on the bottom horizontal line. Click on that, that's our first kick drum. In the beginning of the second beat, moving up to the second level, little blue triangle, that's our snare drum. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way across. Okay, once you've done that, it should sound like this. So let's start composing. I'm going to come up to the first note just above your center line, which is a red note. Then we're going to skip the next note, but put in the next. Again, skip into the next, skip a note into the next, skip a note into the next note, and that's the beginning of our melody. Okay, this is the finished melody for Road Safety Boogie. So I want you to just copy exactly what you see here and just pause where you need to. Okay, once you've done that, don't forget to save your masterpiece, and you can copy and share the link on Google Classroom.